How to monetize my content on Reddit. 5 ways to do it plus 5 extra tips. Reddit's potential to find and engage with customers is huge. In today's video we'll give you 5 great ideas plus 5 bonus tips, so let's get going. How to monetize on Reddit. If you're looking to boost your income as a content creator, you can definitely take advantage of the Reddit monetize trend. The registration process for getting into Reddit is simple, and while Reddit primarily serves as a space for discussions and community engagements, it offers several money-making opportunities for users. For those who know how to monetize Reddit, it can be a goldmine. By understanding the interests of the Reddit community, you can share valuable content that resonates with the community and get you on top of the Reddit monetize craze. From affiliate marketing and paid surveys, to creating your own subreddit tailored to a specific niche, there are various avenues to generate income. Earning extra cash here requires a blend of authenticity, valuable contributions, and respect for community guidelines. 1. Promote your content on Reddit. Once you've set up your account and familiarized yourself with the rules, it's time to start promoting your content. You can promote your content in many ways. You can create threads in relevant subreddits, participate in discussions, and cross-posting content from other platforms. It's essential to keep in mind that Reddit has very strict rules about self-promotion. Be sure to follow the rules when promoting your content. Provide catchy titles to your posts. Try cross-posting your content. Tailor your content to specific subreddits. Interact. Remember, people are visual. When creating content for Reddit, it's important to remember that the platform is highly interactive. Engage with other users and respond to comments or questions. This will help you build connections and create a sense of community around your content. 2. Use Reddit ads to monetize your content. You can make money on Reddit by using ads. With these ads, you can target specific audiences and maybe catch a subreddit community's attention. Make sure you create high-quality content to ensure your ads are relatable to the viewers interested in your topic. Utilizing ads is an effective way to get extra cash, whether for your own business or other ventures. When setting up your ads, it's important to consider the type of content you're promoting. Perhaps it's something related to freelance writing or a niche topic you've explored on a job board. You should also consider the type of audience you're targeting, as well as the budget you have available. 3. Earn money through affiliate marketing for Reddit users. As an affiliate marketer, you can promote products or services that you think are valuable or useful to Reddit users. When creating affiliate links, it's important to make sure that they are relevant to the content you are posting. 4. Offer services and products on a Reddit community. If you have services or products that you can offer, Reddit can be a great place to do so. You can create posts offering your services or products in relevant subreddits. You can also participate in discussions relevant to what you offer and respond to questions about it. Just make sure that you abide by the rules and regulations of Reddit. When creating posts, make sure to include relevant keywords and phrases that will help people find your post. Additionally, be sure to include a link to your website or product page so that people can easily access more information. 5. Use subreddits to reach target audiences. Another Reddit question that pops up is, can you monetize Reddit through subreddits? Subreddits are specialized forums that focus on specific topics of conversation. By investing only your time, you can use these subreddits to your own benefit and reach target audiences who are interested in the topic that you're promoting. Also, if you offer SEO services, joining the SEO subreddit and sharing valuable insights can be a pathway to earn money online. There, you'll find users potentially interested in hiring you, opening doors to making money without being paid directly by Reddit itself. Taking advantage of these options should give you an edge to make money directly. Understanding Reddit's rules and regulations, mechanics, and community dynamics. Before making a mark on Reddit, it's important to make sure that you not only know the rules but also how Reddit works on its engagement and on its community. Mastering the Redditor. Before you start monetizing your content on Reddit, it's important to familiarize yourself with the platform's rules and regulations. Content policy outlines what's allowed and what isn't. Redditor, the etiquette and manners of Reddit. Remember, Reddit is not just about posting, it's about engaging with other users responsibly. User agreement, the official terms you agree to by creating a Reddit account. Subreddit rules. Each subreddit, or niche forum, has its own set of guidelines. Violating the rules set by Reddit could not only mean losing your credibility on the platform but also losing an opportunity to earn money online. The Reddit community respects users who contribute valuable content, so always post with intent. 5 extra tips your content can make money on Reddit. Want to know more about Reddit's monetization potential? Might have multiple answers, it often yields more promising solutions than you might expect. Here are 5 extra tips to keep monetizing your Reddit content. Tip 1. Try out sponsored content on Reddit. Reddit, as an influential social site, presents an opportunity to create content that's sponsored. Tip 2. Host Reddit events to boost engagement. For those who've invested only their time into building a reputable profile, hosting events or AMAs, Ask Me Anything sessions, tailored to specific subreddits can drive traffic to your online business or content. Tip 3. Boost earnings by merchandising in Reddit's own community. There are jobs posted regularly on various subreddits where creators sell products or merchandise related to a theme. Tip 4. Offer premium access and exclusive features. To further monetize, consider offering premium features on this social media platform. Tip 5. Leverage on karma points for authenticity and trust. Accumulated through the recognition of high-quality content and interactions. Enhance credibility. A high karma score signifies resonance with many on the platform. Boost engagement. Quality content and high karma often mean more attention, offering better ways to make money online. Karma as social proof. In the vast landscape of social media sites and online communities, karma on Reddit stands out as an indicator of trustworthiness, helping in promotional endeavors. Whether you're leveraging the power of Reddit ads, engaging in specialized subreddits related to your services, or even considering monetizing your own unique subreddit, there's potential for those willing to invest their time and expertise. With dedication and the right strategy, users can indeed turn Reddit into a source of extra cash.